The changing landscape of credit and financial strategies. Greetings, everyone. I'd like to share some insights on the evolving credit landscape and how you can leverage certain strategies to improve your financial position. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you for joining. For those of you who are already part of the community, thank you for your continued support. In today's video, I'm excited to share valuable information that can help you navigate the credit system and take your financial strategies to the next level. Credit game changes, a new approach. The credit game is rapidly evolving, and many financial institutions are adjusting their practices. Two significant changes that these institutions now require proof of income and sufficient cash flow as part of the application process for credit approval. This includes institutions like credit unions, which offer high-limit credit products like the 10K 100K credit cards. These changes signal a shift in how approvals are processed. Many are now demanding proof of income and cash flow before granting credit, and that's something you need to prepare for. They are relying less on credit scores. While some institutions may not request proof, institutions offering larger lines of credit often do. If you are serious about securing credit cards, being transparent and providing your proof of income and cash flow evidence will greatly increase your chances. By doing so, you open the door to significant funding, which could lead to opportunities like credit stacking and obtaining up to $200,000 or more in credit. Building and managing credit, the power of primary trade lines. Previously, many people relied on adding authorized user (AU) trade lines to their credit reports to help boost their credit score. While this can still be helpful, financial institutions have shifted their focus to higher cash flow. This means that having strong cash flow through your bank accounts is now more important than ever. For those familiar with advanced credit strategies, the use of the flow and float technique is very useful. All budget services, a game-changing strategy. Now, let's dive into a strategy you can use to help build your credit profile. ABS has a service that creates a unique opportunity to generate pay stubs for your business or personal accounts, which can be used as part of your credit application process. This will give you the documentation you need to apply for large lines of credit or high-limit credit cards. While some may view this as a creative approach, it's simply another way to help you document your financial standing in a way that aligns with the credit approval process. Pay stubs are snapped approved with job verification. Strategic approach to renting and business applications. Additionally, this method is useful when applying for apartments or other rental properties, as landlords often require proof of income, such as the last 3 pay stubs. This process can also be applied to help with securing loans or expanding your credit access in areas like Airbnb, trucking, or other ventures. By utilizing these strategies, you're not only helping yourself but also empowering others to do the same. The goal is to ultimately get to a place where you don't have to rely on these workarounds. Instead, you'll have real business revenue and a solid credit profile that naturally meets the requirements for high-limit credit lines, business loans, and more. Collaborating for greater success. For those of you who want to take your financial game to the next level, consider collaborating with a few friends who understand the principles of credit. By working together, sharing knowledge, and applying these strategies, you can significantly increase your access to funding, whether through personal or business credit. When multiple people are able to qualify for substantial funding, the combined resources can lead to greater financial success and a more solid business foundation. Final thoughts. The credit game is shifting, and those who are willing to adapt will benefit. I know this information may seem complex, but I encourage you to study it carefully and begin implementing these strategies gradually. Over time, you'll become more comfortable with the process, and you'll see positive results. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you're interested in my mentorship program or other courses, including the Zombie Debt course, don't hesitate to reach out through the website. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you succeed in your credit journey. Key takeaways. 1. Proof of income. Institutions now require proof of income for large credit applications. 2. Primary trade lines. Focus on primary accounts, not just authorized user trade lines. 3. Snapped. Use these tools to create pay stubs and document income for credit applications. 4. Creative financial solutions. Leverage these strategies for rental applications and business credit. 5. Collaboration. Work with trusted partners to maximize funding potential and business growth. 6. Cash flow enhancement. Use the flow and float technique to create large cash flow through UBank accounts. By adapting to these changes and utilizing creative solutions, you can unlock new financial opportunities and take control of your credit.